Hi everyone! Papunta ng defense ang mga pugo. Okay, thank you Jesus. Last day today. Bye-bye. Hi everyone! Sheesh. Ay, sorry.
Positive patient outcomes. So, to provide a comprehensive perspective on naturopathic practice, and that patients must choose naturopaths that are certified. So, next.
Hi! Kasama ka. Hi everybody! Hey! Ate Audrey! Hi! Hey! Oo. Yes, our DL. Hey. Si Rico yan, no? Hey, folk show. Defense interview. What are your thoughts ngayon na magde-defense pa lang?
Excited po.
Excited po. How about you, Ate Aya? What are your thoughts?
Na-atake na ako ng
Anxiety. Okay.
anxiety.
Okay, sige. How about you, TL? What are your thoughts na magde-defense na tayo and all?
I'm excited and at the same time happy kasi nag-share right now.
Okay. Rico yan!
Hey, Rian, what can you say?
What are your thoughts before defense?
Medyo kabahan, saka mahal ko pa rin si Claudie.
Asa si Claudine? Eh, sige. Okay. Let's interview the yappers here. Excuse me, madam. Excuse me, madam. What are your thoughts ngayong magde-defense na tayo and malapit na tayong sumalang?
I'm confident.
Oh. pero practice siya na practice din. Okay, what more?
I think ano lang kami, accepted with my revision.
Yes. A ka muna. A. Okay, bye-bye, everybody.
Ikaw muna!
Okay, so this moment, kakatapos lang mag-deliberate ng mga panels and pinapasok na sila para sabihin kung pasado ba yung papers nila and all. We already prayed, so I believe that Jesus is with us. Okay ka ba, Bakri ko yan?
Last push.
Let's go, let's push everybody. Ayan na. Last practice and all. Going na.
Yeah, we're next.
Ano food natin?
We bought manju and then this is for our fun. Wish is love.
Pre-defense look and all. Happy pa ba kayo? This is us before.
This is us before entering the defense room.
Let's go. This is us before that.
Ano na This is us for defense.
Okay, one.
This is us before defense. Wala
Ay, sige ma'am.
This is us before final defense.
Hi, sir!
This is the Igor before the final exam.
Let's go!
Sir Igor is the best fan. Ay, wait lang ko wala.
Malakas muna before defense. Tagal nila mag-bladder break.
Nakabahan ako.
sila sa mga panel namin. Lagi tayo nagtatayo na nagbabladder break sila bago yung last. Kaya parang nakakachikahan muna natin. Waiting. This is the title of our study. This is our cue card. Cue cards, pero daming nakalagay na. So, ayan. Let's go.
This is Aya. Hiding the papers.
This one. Ito si Ma'am. Bye. Lumalabas na siya. Yung mga kinag-serve niyang energy, lumalabas na ngayon. Let's go, guys.
Ayan, kwentuhan mo na kami kay sir.
Telling mo.
Hi.
Sila.
Kumusta?
During the deliberation. Damn.
Himlay na
Hi.
Okay lang siya.
Okay nga.
Kasi
Kasi ang technical.
wordings lang naman yung may mali sa atin.
Himlay na ulit.
Ayoko
Wag
na.
natin sa team. Pero, kaya na din yun. Eto na.
And our decision for your paper will be
Fire went out, lights went down. When you feel lost in the shadow,
Guys, this is the last day of us
so
being
loud.
third
We
year.
are living in this groove.
Tayo na lang ng grades, but we finished our research paper already with revisions and all. Nakauwi na kami. Gabi na, pero uuwi pa din. Uuwi pa din.